Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Lock Screen. Enter screen lock type and select between Swipe, Pattern, PIN, Password and None. Firstly, let's select Swipe and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select PIN. Password. None. And pattern. Now, let's select Face Unlock and simply scan your face in this area to use it to unlock the phone. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. The last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. Let's enter it and start scanning with the center of your fingertip. Now let's use my fingertip to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.